Well, hello, my friends again. Uh, so we will show now how how actually I make the TIG welding. I have this old welding machine that I have transported. I have a transformer into aluminium welding TIG machine, and I have this. This is and actually is a rectifier. I take the AC current from this welding machine and I pass it through this rectifier, so I can TIG welding with DC with this and with AC with this. Today the important thing is how to connect the high frequency arc starter to the DC welding machine. To AC is easy because it's just a transformer. It is very easy to connect it. So right now it's not ready, but it's really easy. Let's make some zoom. Okay. So it looks okay. So I have this is the rectifier. I have this transformer who transforms the AC 40 volts to uh, 220 volts. So the high frequency circuit able to work. Here is the simmer coil, and here is the special component who I make it myself. This is not something uh, alien technology. Okay, it's just an old welding rod, this big, who I connected with a wire, with copper wire, like this. the special component or component, I don't know which is more straight. So this is actually this. I put it in the epoxy resin, so all this can be covered. And here I put a safety, a car safety, 50 amps. So if something happens to this component, does not the current goes from the negative to positive. But this, what it does is actually through spark the welding rod. I have this borax around, so the high voltage can pass through, but the high current can't. So that's how I connect this end of the simmer coil with the negative end of the rectifier. Also, here I have 6 capacitors, 6 high voltage capacitors, and a line of diodes. I have put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diodes inside. This you will see it on the schematic that I will have it in short. But right now I will connect the system and we will see what it does. So first I connect the end of the TIG, I connect it to the negative, always in the negative. When I want to weld aluminium or cast iron, I connect it to the AC direct. But today the important thing is to show how we can secure our rectifier from the high voltage to destroy it and actually work as a decent TIG welder. I connect this, I connect the plug for the high frequency. Here we have 40 volts, not 220 volts. 220 volts is only on the circuit. I connect the gas, the argon gas. Now we have a gas. And now we have to connect this is the ground. We grind it. I will find a piece of metal. This is an old scrap piece of metal. It's a little bit of shiny here, so the ground it well. And so now the only thing to have to do is to connect the AC. AC1, AC2. Hopefully we are usually I don't bring it all here. It's just today, only for you, only to see. So here it's cleaner, it starts right out. So you understand now how it works. Okay. Let's go. Let's see the schematic. Remember, the special component, the safety, the capacitors, and the diodes. So let's make a welder, a TIG welder, an AC TIG, AC and DC TIG welder. This is the simmer coil. This is the circuit, the high frequency circuit who drives the simmer coil. Okay. If you want to see details about that, you will go to the previous videos and you will see. Right now we will make the schematic that I promised in the first time. The schematic how to build a basic AC DC TIG welding machine. So you can weld aluminum, cast iron, alloys, everything, brass, silicon brass, copper, anything, almost anything. So we start with the schematic. It will be the basic. Okay, it will be basic. Here we have a transformer who is actually an old welding machine. We have 220 volts. Now here drops about 40 volts. And now from here, if we want to work in AC for aluminum welding, we go like this. Add a TIG. And here this is the simmer coil. Okay, it's very basic. Also, from here to here, we will connect the special component that you will see before. Special component. SK. Special component. This is an AC. AC for aluminum and things like that. This is the high F. High frequency circuit. Okay, now we go to DC. We have a very big rectifier. Which we connect the AC we connect the AC current to the rectifier, and now we will have the DC TIG welding. So from here we have a big coil, it's a choke. This is the plus, and from here we go to simmer at ground. Like here, high frequency. And from here, the negative goes to TIG welding. Okay, at this end, plus and minus, we connect it with the special component. Okay, special component, high frequency here. Now the most important thing, the capacitors. We put one capacitor here, high voltage capacitor. One capacitor here. One capacitor here. And one capacitor here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 capacitors, and now in cross. One capacitor here, and one capacitor here. Okay. Capacitor, 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 capacitor. 6 capacitors. Add a diac. The diac goes between here and here. Okay, this is DC. This is AC. For aluminium cast iron at brass, AC. For iron, DC. Or for inox, DC. A basic and the functional TIG welding machine. At the amps, it's adjustable through the core of the welding machine. Okay. Here for the mains transformer, we use an old cheap welding machine, an old transformer AC welding machine. We use it as a main transformer. And from here we take AC to weld aluminium, DC to weld iron. Okay. Add high frequency. To the high frequency we connect it with different cable through the switch. So, schematic, easy. Now this, if you want to upgrade it in pulse TIG welding machine, you can actually put some kind of dimmer here, because here the amps it will be too high. Probably here you will maybe have 200 amps. Okay, but here you will have 25 amps. So you put a kind of dimmer here, and you can have it with pulse, or you can have it straight. This is a TIG welding machine, at easier as can get. Okay, adjust the amperes from here. AC, DC, high frequency starter, rectifier, and the chuck. So thank you all. This is my first video in English, but I have too many viewers from outside of the Greece, So that's why I make this video. I make it for you. My rest of the video is in Greek language, which is actually my original language, because I am a Greek. Okay? So, be well, and God bless you all. Bye bye.